Hello everyone, I am Kinjal Kathekar. I scored 93.83% in my 12th standard and achieved first rank in PG Junior College, and I am very happy about it. This was only possible due to my hard work and encouragement and guidance and support of all the teachers. I decided to join a.s. Tutorials after my 11th result, as it was not up to my expectations, but this decision of joining of a.s. Tutorials was the best decision I have ever taken, because it was very helpful to me in increasing my scores in accounts, SP and economics. The best part of this a.s. Tutorials was that the teachers, they very helpful, they are very supportive, and I can clear all my doubts through them without any hesitations. They conduct extra classes for our doubts, and during exams also they have conducted extra classes, and it was very helpful to me for achieving first rank, and I am very thankful to them. मैंने कभी सोचा नहीं था कि मेरा फर्स्ट रैंक आएगा, क्योंकि पीजी जूनियर कॉलेज में कंपटीशन बहुत टफ था, बट टीचर्स के कांस्टेंट एनकरेजमेंट के फर्स्ट रैंक लाना है, तो मेरे माइंड में था कि मेरे को फर्स्ट रैंक लाना है, और मैंने मेहनत की और मेरा फर्स्ट रैंक आया. मेरे को I want to thank all the teachers from a.s. Tutorials and PG Junior College for constant support and encouragement. They have given best guidance to me, and I have here now achieved first rank, and I am thanking them from bottom of my heart. Thank you.